Prompt Engineering Training Session 44. Code as Reasoning. Programmated Language Models, PAL, one are another example of a MRKL system. When given a question, PALs are able to write code that solves this question. They send the code to a programmatic runtime to get the result. PAL works in contrast to COT. PAL's intermediate reasoning is code, while COT's is natural language. One important thing to note is that PAL actually interleaves natural language, NL, and code. In the above image, in blue are natural language reasoning that PAL generates. Although it is not shown in the image, PAL actually generates hashtag before each line of NL reasoning, so that they are interpreted as comments by the programmatic runtime. Example. Let's look at an example of PAL solving a math question. I use a 3-shot prompt, which is a simplified version of this one. I will use LangChain, a Python package for chaining LLM functionality for this. First, a few installations are needed. Pip install LangChain == 0.0.26. Pip install OpenAI. From langchain.llms import OpenAI. Import OS. os.environ OpenAI_API_key =skyor_key_ here. Then, we can create an instance of GPT-3 DaVinci 002. An API call happens when we use this object. LLM = OpenAI, model_name = text DaVinci 002, temperature = 0. Here is the few-shot prompt. Math_prompt equals. Question: There were 9 computers in the server room. 5 more computers were installed each day, from Monday to Thursday. How many computers are now in the server room? Hashtag solution in Python. There were 9 computers in the server room. 5 more computers were installed each day, from Monday to Thursday. How many computers are now in the server room? Computers_initial = 9. Computers_per_day = 5. Number_days = 4. Number 4 days between Monday and Thursday. Computers_added = computers_per_day * number_days. Computers_total = computers_initial plus computers_added. Result = computers_total. Return result. Question: Sean has 5 toys. For Christmas, he got 2 toys each from his mom and dad. How many toys does he have now? Hashtag solution in Python. Sean has 5 toys. For Christmas, he got 2 toys each from his mom and dad. How many toys does he have now? Toys_initial = 5. Mom_toys = 2. Dad_toys = 2. Total_received = mom_toys plus dad_toys. Total_toys = toys_initial plus total_received. Result = total_toys. Question: Jason had 20 lollipops. He gave Denny some lollipops. Now Jason has 12 lollipops. How many lollipops did Jason give to Denny? Hashtag solution in Python. Jason had 20 lollipops. He gave Denny some lollipops. Now Jason has 12 lollipops. How many lollipops did Jason give to Denny? Jason_lollipops_initial = 20. Jason_lollipops_after = 12. Denny_lollipops = Jason_lollipops_initial, Jason_lollipops_after. Result = Denny_lollipops. Question. Hashtag solution in Python. Now we can pass the combined prompt to GPT-3. LLM_out = LLM, math_prompt.format, question = question. Print, LLM_out. The output is: Emma took a 60-minute plane ride to Seattle. She then took a 2-hour train ride to Portland, and then a 30-minute bus ride to Vancouver. How long did it take her to get to Vancouver? Plane_ride = 60. Train_ride is equal to 2 times 60 number 2 hours in minutes. Bus_ride = 30. Total_time equals plane_ride plus train_ride plus bus_ride. Result = total_time. Finally, we can pass this code to a Python runtime to get the answer. Exec, LLM_out. Print, result. The output is 210, which is correct.